Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the humidity control cover in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new humidity control cover. Each crisper pan has its own humidity control cover. It covers the opening in the crisper pan where the slider is mounted. The main reason to replace the humidity control cover is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. We need to remove the crisper pan, so I'm going to pull it out. Alright, so let's place this pan on the table. So now we need to remove this whole assembly, and there is a little clip here at the end, and I will use the flat blade screwdriver. We're going to push it in slightly, and we're going to release that frame. I'm going to pull it out. Right, so now we need to take out the slider. We need to spread this frame slightly apart. Don't overdo it, you're going to break it. So just a little bit. And it comes out like this. And we're going to pull it out. This is the old humidity control cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now we are going to solve the puzzle. We need to put this inside of this. Follow my steps here. Place it in. And there's a clip here. We need to make sure that this goes under the clip. Like that. And then we're going to spread this frame and place the slide in. So now we're going to mount this assembly onto this crisper pan. We're going to place this in, slide it all the way to the side. So we're going to let this side overlap the crisper pan, and this side is going to be pushed in until you hear the click, means that the clip is locked. And now the crisper pan goes back into the fridge. Slide the crisper pan under the rails and push it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.